Measures of location give us information about the position of the values in the data set. So we'll look at two measures of location, percentiles and quartiles. A percentile is the value below which a percentage of data falls. A percentile is a measure of location or position of a variable's values. Let's look at a couple of examples. So, the 15th percentile is the value below which 15% of the observations may be found. So, if a student scores at the 90th percentile on a standardized test, 90% of the students who took the test fell below that particular person's score. Now, for our purposes, we're going to be taking a look at very particular percentiles, and these particular percentiles are called quartiles. Quartiles fall at the specific percentages dividing a given data set into 4 equal parts. So the 25th percentile is what we call quartile 1, or Q1. The 50th percentile is the second quartile, or Q2, and the 75th percentile is the third quartile, or Q3. So we can take a look at that then on this display. We can see the location of where quartile 1, 2, and 3 is. Quartile 2 is also the same as the median. The median and quartile 2 are exactly the same. So you'll recall how we calculated the median. We've already done this. So if you remember that the median of the data set is quartile 2, then you'll have that piece of the distribution already, as we have here. Now, the next task is to find the quartile 1. If we take the lower half of the numbers, in this case 22, 64, 66, 68, 72, 72, and we find its median, we will find then what is quartile 1. So as we've done before, it's the same process. We take the average of the two center values, in this case 66 and 68, and we will have our quartile 1 will be 67, as marked on this graph. We do the same exact thing with the upper quartile. To find the quartile 3, we take the upper 4 digits, in this case 72, 74, 76, 80, 84, and 90, and we find its median. In this case, we have 76 and 80 are our two center values, so our median of that group is 78. Thus, we now have quartile 3. So now we have the 3 quartiles in alignment next to each other. 67, quartile 1, 72, quartile 2, also known as the median, and 78, quartile 3. So this concludes our discussion of measures of location. Next, we'll discuss measures of spread.